I have a story to share with you. God has blessed me with many talents, I have to say. And one of those talents is the ability to understand the world of money and finance. I know how to make money work for me, not only the other way around. I am Sharon, the Modern Savvy CPA, and I want to help you learn smart money habits so you can make better money decisions and achieve your financial freedom. Financial freedom is the key to financial wellness, the key to mental wellness, the key to physical wellness. You cannot have financial freedom, you cannot have physical and mental wellness without having financial wellness. There are many tools available to us, but sometimes we don't know where to find them, or we are distracted by the other things in our daily lives, or all of the noise that we hear, that we cannot differentiate between what is a good tool for us to learn about our finances or who is the right person to teach you. Well, I'm here to tell you that with all the years of experience that I have and all the education to back me, that I am the person to guide you. I will guide you through a clear path, through those distractions, and show you how you can make your money work for you, how you can use your money wisely and efficiently. See, I grew up with immigrant parents and lived the immigrant life. Immigrants, you can say what you want to say about them, but they know how to live on a penny. That's how my parents lived. They lived on their penny. They lived within their means with what they have. And because this country that we came to have all the opportunities as long as you're willing to work for it. I grew up in the South Bronx where it was the ghetto and so many things happened, but my parents were still able to give us a decent life. We lived within our means. We enjoyed things. We made memories. One of the things that my parents did with me and my two sisters is we talked about money and finance from a young age, which allowed us to understand the dynamics of the household, how money is affecting us. I'll tell you a story about an example of something. I used to get $3 a month when it comes to my allowance. We used to live in an area that you could walk to the bank. I would walk to the bank in the 1980s, and my dad opened a young savers account for me. I started it with $20, and I would walk every week with him to the bank. In those days, you got to take your paycheck to the bank. It wasn't done that way, and $3 I would get, $2 went into my bank account every single week. $1 was mine to spend, $2 went into my bank account. In certain times, I was able to give 50 cents as my offering to church. So that was one of the things that we did. Those was one of the ways that he taught us about money. Now, I wish he knew about investing, so maybe I could have been investing my couple of dollars and earning more money on it. He taught us how to save because that's what he knew how to do. He didn't teach us about investing because we didn't know how to do that. Education and literacy with the American dream is part of what we're doing. So one of the things that you need to understand is if you don't educate yourself and become financially literate, you will be limited on what part of the American dreams that you need to live. Limiting your investment, education, and know-how is one of the worst things that you can do. And there's so many ways that you can do it right now. You do not want to limit yourself. The world is your oyster and it's out there on the World Wide Web. Not everybody that you should be listening to and not everybody you should be paying attention. Of course, whatever you do in your life, you want to be able to vet them. You want to make sure if someone says something interesting, are they qualified to tell you that? And do they have the know-withal to teach you something? Experiences with clients, I will have to tell you that I have clients that are very rich. They make 6-7 figures, but they are not wealthy because they live above their means. Then I have clients that make $50,000 to $60,000 and they're able to take a vacation once in a while, send their kids to college, pay their mortgage, make improvements to their house because they live within their means. So if you are smart about your investing, smart about your financial education, and understand the know-how of how these things work, you will be able to learn just like I did, and I'm willing to teach you.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.